Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I got the spoilers for the Slay Glam box for the month of January 2023. I'm so excited for these spoilers. I cannot wait to share them with you guys. This is going to be a really good box. So really quick, if you're not familiar with Slay Glam, it is a monthly makeup subscription. You're not going to get skincare or anything like that. It's strictly makeup, which I absolutely love about it. It's $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You get a palette in every box, which I absolutely love. That's why I love it. I collect eyeshadow palettes, so I love that we get an eyeshadow palette in every month. And also, if you use code Michelle Martin, you're going to save 10% off of your first subscription. I don't make anything off of it. It's just the coupon code to save you a little bit of money. So if you like these spoiler videos that I do, please make sure that you are giving me a thumbs up because it really helps push this video so other people can see the spoilers as well. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. I've almost made it to my 1,000 subscribers. It is like insane. As soon as I do, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. And don't forget to ring the notification bell because honestly, girl, I am so random over here. I don't have certain days that I upload, but I do upload twice a week. And also, one last thing before we get into spoilers. I've had a few people tell me that my sound is not very good. So what I've done is I've moved my microphone a little bit closer to me. So hopefully this helps. If not, just let me know down in the comment section and I will get another microphone. It just might be this one is getting old or something. I'm not sure. But yeah, just let me know if the volume is like wonky on this. Because on my end, it sounds normal. It doesn't sound like anything's wrong with my volume. But if it is sounding that way on your end, just let me know and I will try to fix it. But yeah, girl, go ahead and get your coffee because we're about to get into some spoilers. And you already know that I'm going to start with the star of the show, which is always the palette for me. But unfortunately, if you were on Instagram and you seen where Rasha shared that we were supposed to be getting a Rasha Cosmetics palette this month, unfortunately, we are not going to be getting a Rasha Cosmetics palette, which I'm super sad about because, girl, when I say Rasha Cosmetics palettes, the quality is amazing. The very high end, I really mean that. But she had some delays in her palette, so we're not going to be getting her palette this month. But she did get a really good replacement for it. So our first spoiler for the Slay Glam box for the month of January is going to be a Mora palette. I love Mora Cosmetics. They are fantastic. Their quality is really nice. I'm actually wearing eyeshadow from Mora today. We're going to be getting the Celestial Love palette. This is a 16 pan palette. It's a lot of pinks, mauve tones in here. Really great transition colors, some dark browns for the outer corner. Absolutely love this palette. In my opinion, this palette is more of your neutral palette, so it doesn't have a whole lot of crazy colors, even though pink can be a little intimidating for some people. Honestly, working with pink colors, you can make them pretty neutral, especially with the browns and stuff in this palette. So I am excited to get this palette. Really quick, I just wanted to show you the palette that I used for my eyes today. I used this one from Mora. I love this one. This is their Let's Get Carried Away Getaway series palette. Love this one. This is a beautiful palette from them. I believe I got this out of a Slay Glam box as well. I've been subscribed to Slay Glam for quite a while now, so I've gotten so many palettes from them. It's hard to remember if I got this palette from Slay Glam or not, but I want to say I did. Mora Cosmetics, their eyeshadow formula is really amazing, so I am not mad at this palette. I really think this palette is in perfect time for Valentine's Day. I know that this is our January box, but we're going to be getting this just in time for Valentine's Day. So I think that it's going to be perfect. And we're going to be able to do some Valentine's looks with this palette. Okay, spoiler number 2 for the Slay Glam box is going to be a product from Crown Pro, and this is a gold eyeliner. I really do like getting colored eyeliners lately. I have been trying to get out my comfort zone, girl, and use some different eyeliners. I really like to pair the eyeliners together that match my eyeshadow, because it helps me get out of my comfort zone without getting me too far out of my comfort zone, if that makes any sense at all. I know it probably doesn't. Okay, so for spoiler number 3, we have a liquid lip, and this is from Romantic Beauty. And we're getting one. We're not getting all of these. We're only going to receive one of these. But that's kind of cool. I've never tried anything from Romantic Beauty before, so I am excited to get this and try it. I always love getting liquid lipsticks, so I'm excited to see what color we get. Usually Rasha is really good at making the whole box like coordinate together. So whatever color we do get, I'm sure is going to go with the palette that we get, because again, she is really good at coordinating the box. Okay, so for our 4th spoiler, we're going to be getting a product from Oakland, and this is their glowing palette. This is the highlighter 6-pan palette. I know the crazy, right? The colors look a little like, wow, girl, what you doing? I can't use that as a highlighter, but they are way, way more subtle than what you would think. I actually already have, this is not the same one, this is a different one, but this is an Oakland glowing palette. And I love using like these colors. You're like, girl, I would never use that as a highlighter. I use these as a blush because they are light enough to go on as just a very faint blush color, but it still gives you a nice little glow. So I really do like using these as a blush color. Of course, I use these as a bronzer topper. I will mix the yellow in because, believe it or not, like the yellow is not that intense. It comes off more of a golden color, and this white shade here I like to use as an inner corner highlight. I actually did use that as an inner corner highlight and on my brow bone today. As you can tell, she is dirty because she does get used. I absolutely enjoy Oakland's formula. I love this little palette, and I am excited to get another one. But I'm interested to see those shades and see how they look. If nothing else, I feel like the crazy colors we can use as a shadow topper as well. Okay, so last but not least is going to be a product from Rasha Cosmetics. So I was saving the best for last, girl. I was saving the best for last. I'm excited for this one. This is going to be a liquid eyeshadow. So this liquid eyeshadow shifts from an olive to a gold to a pink. I am so excited to try this liquid eyeshadow. I mean, it looks beautiful, first of all, and I'm glad that at least we're getting one product from Rasha B. We might not be getting the palette, but we are getting a liquid eyeshadow. And honestly, everything that I've tried from Rasha B Cosmetics has been amazing. As always, let me know what you guys think. What is your favorite product out of this box? I'm gonna have to go with the Rasha B liquid eyeshadow because I am just dying to try it. I really cannot wait. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.